All these words mean very steep or difficult to climb, but they are used in different ways. Steep describes a slope that gets steeper as it goes up. It is hard and dangerous to climb. The hiking trail became very steep near the top of the mountain. Abrupt describes terrain that suddenly rises or drops, forming a sharp or jagged edge. There was an abrupt drop in the path, so we had to be very careful. Sheer describes a surface that is nearly straight up and down from top to bottom. It is not just hard to climb, it is almost impossible. The sheer cliff face made it impossible to climb without ropes. All these words mean to take something in or absorb it, but they are used in different ways. Absorb is a common word with a wide meaning. It can mean to take in physical things like light, heat, or liquid, and also abstract things like knowledge or ideas. The sponge absorbed all the water on the table. Suck can be used like absorb, but it also means to draw something in by mouth or suction. The roots of the plant suck water up from the soil. Digest means to break down food inside the body by changing its chemical structure, so the body can absorb it. It takes several hours for the stomach to digest a large meal. Incorporate means to mix one or more things into something else, so they become one whole. The chef incorporated fresh herbs into the sauce to give it more flavor. All these words mean a short version of something longer, but they are used in different ways. Summary is a common word. It means a short and clear explanation of the main points of a book, article, or topic. The teacher asked students to write a summary of the chapter they had read. Abstract is a short summary placed before the main text of an academic paper or legal document. It tells the reader what the work is about before they read the full text. Every research paper should begin with a clear abstract. Digest is a carefully written short version of a longer work. It fully understands the original, reorganizes it, and presents only the most important and valuable content. This magazine is a digest of the best science articles from around the world. Outline is a structured plan or framework of a piece of writing, with short notes explaining each point. She wrote an outline before starting her essay, so she could organize her ideas clearly. Résumé comes from French and is very close in meaning to summary. The two words can usually be used in place of each other. He gave a brief resume of the main points at the end of the presentation. Both these words mean something is very unreasonable or does not make sense, but they are used in different ways. Absurd is a common word. It means something that goes against common sense or logic. It is simply unreasonable and hard to accept. It is absurd to think that you can pass the exam without studying at all. Ridiculous means something is so absurd or unreasonable that it makes people laugh or feel it is not worth taking seriously. That is a ridiculous idea. There is no way it will ever work.